Imagine this. Your bills are piling up, your credit card debt is spiraling out of control, and payday feels like it's a lifetime away. You're working hard, but somehow your bank account never seems to grow. Does this sound familiar? These are the silent traps that millions of people fall into every day. Traps that can lead to years of financial stress, sleepless nights, and dreams left unfulfilled. But what if you could avoid these mistakes? What if you could take control of your finances and start building the future you've always wanted? In this video, we're going to reveal the most common personal finance mistakes that could be holding you back, and more importantly, how you can avoid them. Stay with us, because by the end of this video, you'll have the knowledge and tools to transform your financial future. One of the biggest mistakes people make is not having a budget. Without a budget, it's easy to lose track of where your money is going. You might end up overspending on non-essentials and fall short when it comes to saving or paying bills. To avoid this mistake, create a budget that outlines your income, expenses, and savings goals. Review it regularly and adjust as needed. A budget is your financial roadmap. It shows you where your money should go each month. Another common mistake is living beyond your means. It's tempting to keep up with others by spending more than you can afford, but this can quickly lead to debt and financial stress. To avoid this, live within your means. Prioritize needs over wants, and avoid using credit to finance a lifestyle you can't afford. Remember, financial stability is more important than impressing others. Not having an emergency fund is a mistake that can lead to serious financial trouble. Life is unpredictable, and unexpected expenses can arise at any time. Without savings, you may be forced to rely on credit, leading to more debt. Start building an emergency fund today. Aim to save at least 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses. This financial cushion can protect you from life surprises and give you peace of mind. Ignoring debt is another major mistake. Debt doesn't go away on its own. Ignoring it only makes the problem worse. High interest debt, like credit cards, can quickly spiral out of control if not addressed. To avoid this, tackle your debt head on. Create a repayment plan and stick to it. Consider paying off high interest debt first, or consolidating your debt to reduce interest rates. The sooner you start, the easier it will be to regain control of your finances. Not investing for the future is a mistake many people make, especially when they're younger. It's easy to focus on immediate needs and forget about long-term goals like retirement. But the earlier you start investing, the more time your money has to grow. Start small, but start early. Whether it's through a 401k, IRA, or other investment accounts, make sure you're setting aside money for the future. Compound interest is powerful. The sooner you start, the more your investments will grow over time. Failing to plan for major life events is another financial mistake. Whether it's buying a home, starting a family, or even retirement, these events come with significant financial responsibilities. Plan ahead for major life events by setting specific financial goals. Save for down payments, create a college fund for your children, and make sure your retirement plan is on track. Planning ahead ensures you're financially prepared for life's big moments. Avoiding these common personal finance mistakes can make a big difference in your financial health. By budgeting, living within your means, saving for emergencies, tackling debt, investing for the future, and planning for major life events, you can achieve financial stability and peace of mind. So thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on managing your money and achieving financial success. And I'll see you in the next video.